Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor here. And in this video, I am going to be giving you a tour of one of our storage locations. This is where we keep our supplies and equipment for our different teammates, so be sure to stick around. Our storage unit is indoors. Now we have easy access, so our teams are able to pull up their cars and their trucks every morning and only have to walk a couple of feet to the unit. Now, one of the reasons why I really love to have these units indoors is because all of these liquids, they will freeze during the winter time. And that can be a huge issue when you show up to go do a house or commercial cleaning and none of your products are liquid anymore. They're solid ice. Why would you consider having a storage location, or like we have, multiple storage locations for your cleaning business? Now, this is extremely convenient for my business because our main office is about an hour drive from some of our service locations. So as many of you know, we are based out of New Jersey, and New Jersey is a very large state. So again, my main office is in Eatontown, New Jersey, which is by the Jersey Shore. And where I'm recording this video is in one of our service locations in Rahway, New Jersey. So again, that is about a 45-minute ride, and I don't want to ever have to make any of my cleaning technicians drive to my office to prepare for the day. Now, another great reason why you should have a storage location is so that you don't have your cleaning technicians showing up to your home. Now, when I first started off my cleaning business, my office was my home, and so was my storage location, right? So I started cleaning from my home. That's where I began my business. And when I started to hire, that's when things became a little bit tricky. I started to have my employees show up to my home in order to start the day and pack. Now, this might seem like a very good idea at first because you are saving money. However, it is not such a great idea in the long run, because once you start letting go of your employees, now they know where you live. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons why I decided on having a storage location, because we had a little bit of turnover in the beginning of our business, and then we had disgruntled employees showing up to my home. So that's another great reason why you should have a storage location. You do not want people showing up to your home if that is your main office. Now, another reason could be that you have multiple service locations, right? In state and out of state, when you start to grow and scale your cleaning business. Now, this is great because you can have, storage units in different states where you're servicing, and you physically don't have to be there, right? You can just simply have one of your teammates keep track of what is the inventory in the storage location, what is needed, and then you technically don't need an office in that service location. All right, you guys, so now you know why I have a storage location and how it could benefit your company. Now I'm going to give you a storage tour. All right, I do want to mention that this is one of our smaller storage units. I believe this is 10 feet by 5 feet. We pay extra space storage roughly $120 per month to have this one unit, and it is a great investment. So now let's get into it. Over here, I just want to show you guys on this one rack where we keep all of our commercial cleaning products. So we have this rack right here, and this is all for our commercial accounts. Up there we have paper towel that we do use for both commercial and residential cleaning. And again, here we have our commercial cleaning products. Okay, down here we have some HEPA vacuum bags. We have some extra vacuum pieces. And over here we have some post-construction cleaning products. Now, those are not frequently used, so we only have a few there for our team members. Now, down here we have some mop heads of all different assortments. We have our O-Cedar mops, we have our industrial janitorial mops, and down here is normally where we keep all of our clean microfiber rags. Here we have, some shower scrubbing sticks that we get from Lowe's, our Swiffer duster handles. Down here we do have some scrub brushes that we use along with shower squeegees. These are cleaned after each use, and then they are put into a bucket with this. And so now this rack right here in the corner, as you can see, the very top shelf does hold some of our Husky bags and the dupe from Lowe's. We have some more vacuum equipment. So these are our clean inner bags that go into our HEPA backpacks. You know, we wash these out at the end of the week. Here we actually have some reusable shopping bags and some buckets. Now the shopping bags are great because let's say my team fills up this bag with all of their products. They will then use a reusable shopping bag to fill up with paper towel, clean microfiber rags, as well as clean microfiber mop heads for every clean. Now here is the rack that we usually have a couple of packs of water for our team members. We're doing some shopping today, so it is a little bit empty. And again, we have some extra commercial cleaning products for windows. We have some N95 masks. And then down here, we have all of our extra equipment for our HEPA vacuums. Here you'll notice we have a number of 3-step ladders. We do not go any higher than 3-step ladders unless it's a specialty job. Now these are great to have for home cleaning, to get those fans, windows, move in, move out cleanings. You know, we have to do all of the shelving, so these really do come in handy. Now we're going to be going over here to the next 2 racks that we have, and as you can see right up above, we have some O-Cedar spin mops. Now we use these in residential cleaning, not so much commercial, because we have our janitorial mops that we keep on site. Now this is just some of our house cleaning products. We have Sprayway, Lysol, you know, toilet gel, stainless steel cleaner, but everything is always filled and ready to go for our team. Again, we have one of our team members, if not 2, reorganize every Friday, clean everything and take inventory so that one of us can do the shopping. Now this is our final rack over here. As you can see, we have an extra HEPA vacuum, which I'll be showing you guys shortly. We have our Swiffer dusters, our SOS pads, and we have 3 different bins here. Now these bins have some Clorox wand replacements. We have some magic erasers, and of course our blue non-scratch sponges. Now down here we have our nitrile gloves that we use in both residential and commercial cleaning, along with shoe covers. Now these we only use in homes, not commercial, unless it's a post-construction job. And then of course we have some masks. Down below we do keep some refills of our products. So we found a Fabuloso, which we only just started using because it came out as antibacterial. You know, Method granite cleaner, some Zep tile and tub, and everything else that we use that we pretty much need to fill up at the end of the week. Now in this little corner, we just have some random cleaning tools. Again, we have our O-Cedar mop heads. We have some of our vacuum poles, and we have a flat mop and a scrub brush. So again, this is exactly how we keep everything organized and ready to go for our teams. They show up here every morning and fill their bags. This is where the dirty rags go. It's normally on the floor. However, as you can see, we are in the process of cleaning them today. And also, we do keep a garbage can here, and the only garbage that actually goes in there are any, you know, wrappers or empty boxes from when we are restocking our supplies and products. Of course, we have a couple of vacuums as well. These are the Pro Team. I'll be sure to share a link with you guys for this video for all of these products that were just featured. And I'll even give a breakdown of the pricing one more time. So I really hope you guys found this video useful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any other video ideas for us.